In this video, let me show you how to fix WhatsApp video call not connecting. So if you're having or facing this issue, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you need to do is check for app permissions. So what you simply need to do is, if you're on an Android device, tap and hold the app of WhatsApp, head over to the eye icon, and then you'll need to head over to permissions. So if you're using an iOS device as well, make sure you find the WhatsApp permissions and make sure that the microphone as well as the camera option is set to allow. If this was previously not set to allow, this might be the exact issue that you're facing. So once you do this first step, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if this is not the case with you, then what you can try out is try to refresh your network status. Just toggle on the airplane mode on your device for at least 10 seconds and then turn it off again. Also make sure that you disconnect to any sort of VPNs that you might be connected to. Also, if you have enabled the data saver mode on your device, this also may be causing the issue. So what you need to do is come over to the settings, scroll down, head over to storage and data, and make sure that the use less data for calls is toggled off. If this was toggled on for you, this may be the issue that you're facing. So once you do these couple of steps, you should be able to fix this error. But however, even after doing all of these steps, if you're still having issues with it, the last thing that you can try out is try to reinstall the WhatsApp application. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.